Hello, I'm Jonathan Zakax, and today I'm going to introduce to you what is cryptocurrencies and what is the best platform to exchange that cryptocurrencies. Okay, so the creation of cryptocurrencies was a revolution in the world of finance and technology. The first cryptocurrencies was Bitcoin, created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea behind cryptocurrencies was to create a decentralized system of payment that would not be subject to government control or the traditional banking system. The technology behind cryptocurrencies, known as blockchain, allow for secure and transparent transaction without the need for intermediaries like banks or credit card companies. Cryptocurrencies are traded on various platforms known as exchange, which allow users to buy, sell, and trade different cryptocurrencies using different fiat currencies or their cryptocurrencies. One of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange is Bybit.
Hello, my name is Valbert and I'm going to tell you about Bybit. Are you looking to expand your crypto trading skill or just a good exchange to get started in crypto trading? With its user-friendly interface, technical analysis tool, launchpad and copy trading, Bybit is a good choice for novice as well as expert in the comprehensive game. We will explore in detail the service of this exchange, show you how to use them and give you our opinion. Bybit is a cryptocurrency trading platform founded in March 2018 in Singapore by Ben Zhu, former head of trading company Diginex. Since its inception, the exchange has established itself as one of the most serious players in the crypto trading industry thanks to its user-centric approach and diverse product offering. Bybit offers a simple and intuitive user interface as well as advanced features for experienced traders.
The trading bots are a bot that launch trading in a crypto defined by contribution to the price defined its market trade regularly but with a small percentage of money invested. It's a market that lasts for months, but the best solution to earn money without doing anything is the copy trading. It's simple. As the person selects the market, the trade you copy or trade does the same, but the disadvantage of the copy trade is that the person that we copy take 10% off your gain.
Once you arrived on the application, you can create an account here. Then, once this is done, you can discover all the trading offers presented. On this first tab, you can buy cryptocurrency at the current market price in order to try to resell it at the higher price, or just to make a conversion of your money USD or Euro. We will now see the derivatives part. It's here that, at the opposite of buying a crypto and then reselling it in profit, we will be able to invest our money by predicting a rise, called a long in the green button, or a fall, called a short in the red button, of the currency price. On the left, you have all the cryptos listed from the most popular to the least popular. In assets, you have your wallets with your money. You can place 100% to 0.1% of your money, and for me $20 is 0.005 Bitcoin. You can put a leverage time. The higher the leverage is, the faster you win, and the faster you lose too. With $22, the leverage 10 generates me $220. In order to maximize its success, you can use indicators. Indicators are very useful, like the RSI, for example, showing the overbought and the oversold areas. You can change the duration of the candlesticks, showing the price evolution according to the given time. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and use the link below in the description.